Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fermented garlic pickle. Start by peeling garlic and preparing a 2% salt brine, then pack cloves tightly in sterilized jars. We will cover optional spices, safe fermentation temperatures, and how to taste for readiness. I will also explain how to store finished pickles and avoid common problems like mold and off smells, all in simple, approachable steps you can follow at home. Begin by peeling each garlic clove and trimming imperfections, then prepare a 2% salt brine by dissolving measured salt in filtered water. Pack cloves tightly into sterilized jars, leaving headspace for gas expansion, and add optional spices like chili or dill. Ensure all utensils and surfaces are clean to reduce contamination risks. Seal jars with airlock or loose lid to allow gases to escape while keeping out air. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanup a breeze after fermenting garlic, and it even avoids spilled brine with smart navigation. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if it sounds useful, give it a look. Thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Place jars in a cool, stable spot away from direct sunlight, and allow fermentation to progress for days to weeks depending on taste. Taste a clove every few days to assess sourness and texture, and adjust timing based on your preference. When the garlic reaches the desired flavor and crunch, move jars to the refrigerator to slow fermentation and extend shelf life, and label jars with the date to track progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.